Yung edad nila. Tama? So, to tell you honestly, for the past 17 years, we have been talking to the same agencies. We have been talking to the same Pag-ibig. We have been talking about the same issues that we have been trying to solve. We have had some wins, and we've also had some stalemates. Ibig sabihin, pareho pa rin yung problema natin way back. So, the appeal today is, in the next few years, matatanda na kami. Yung supposed young second generation, Jeff. Tanda na tayo in the next few years. We'll be as old as the founders when they founded the organization. So, the appeal is for the newer generations to actually step up. For the newer generations to come in and take our place. Because the cost is still the same. The housing backlog gets bigger every year, and the dialogue needs to continue on. Even if the solution doesn't come in a year or so, it doesn't mean we have to stop fighting. Because we're fighting for a bigger cause. We're not talking about the bottom line of our own independent companies. We're talking about the industry as a whole. To make housing as inclusive as possible. Tama? At the end of the day, we will earn our dividends, our income, but syempre, we also have to have social responsibility. So yung appeal ko sa lahat na nandito, all the stakeholders here, help us. Let's help each other.